Today we're looking at how to use reels to show off your workmanship. This is Hillside Leisure and they specialise in caravans, camper vans, that kind of thing. And they were actually at an event, so they were at the NEC caravan show, and they wanted to take advantage of that by really showing off, I guess, their workmanship. So they created this reel and I will show you it and then we can talk about it. So there you go. So what they've done is they've done a reel to give us a view of one of the VW camper vans that they've personally renovated. It's an amazing quality video. I think it really shows you, how gorgeous, a job they've done. And I think they've kept it really, really simple with simple music and very minimal talking through it. They've just talked about how everybody absolutely loves it, and then they've talked a little bit about some of it, but actually they really let the reel speak for themselves. I think what's interesting is they've done that as the reels. That's to kind of capture people's attention and draw people in. Then they've tagged in the NEC caravan show, so anybody, I guess, following that will suddenly again they might reshare that, and they might start getting engaged with other people who are at the caravan show, which is obviously what they'd want to do because of what they sell. And I think it's just a really good way of raising awareness of your products and through, I guess, your workmanship. And I think that's what the reel is all about. It's about their workmanship.